Top 5 Best Vitamin C Serums. Vitamin C serums to save you from premature aging. When it comes to skincare, vitamin C is one of the most effective ingredients you can add to your routine. This powerful antioxidant can brighten and firm, promote collagen production to fight wrinkles and fine lines, and can even boost the protection against damage from harmful UV rays provided by your sunscreen. It's also a great treatment for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Truskin Vitamin C Serum for face.
The results are in. TruSkin's Vitamin C Serum is the highest rated C serum on the internet. We're delivering nature's nourishing plant power to healthy faces across the nation. Glow on and get your TruSkin today.
CeraVe Vitamin C Serum with hyaluronic acid. Vichy Liftactive Vitamin C Serum.
Vichy. Choose your high dose of efficacy with Lift Active Anti-Aging Serums. Vichy. Health is vital.
Seoul Cuticles Korean Skincare Beauty.
Seoul Cuticles is my favorite Korean skincare brand, and I have really been loving their Day Glow Serum lately. It helps with the redness I sometimes get and some blemishes that pop up, and also helps with an even skin tone. It also has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it totally gives me a dewy, youthful glow. All I have to do is apply a few drops to my face in the morning and I am all set. Try it for yourself and get 10% off on Amazon today with code DAYGLOW10.
La Roche-Posay Pure Vitamin C Face Serum.